Here's how to fix ghost touches on Android. Now, if you have your Android phone and you don't touch it, but it randomly registers a tap or a swipe or something like that, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is taking the screen protector and the case off your Android phone. A lot of times these screen protectors and the case can cause issues with it registering a fake tap. When you tap somewhere, it doesn't actually tap it, or it just basically registers a fake tap. So I would recommend taking those off and cleaning the touch screen of your phone. That's the first thing, but we'll also walk into settings to change two settings. So swipe up from here and tap on settings. From your settings, all we need to do is scroll down and we're going to choose the display option. Once we're on display, all you need to do is scroll down because you're going to go to two different options. One is accidental touch protection. Protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place or in your pocket. Just turn this on. A lot of times ghost touches are when your phone is in your pocket, or you might have brushed up against it on your arm or someone's arm, and it registers a touch or a swipe, but you didn't mean to do it. You can also turn on touch sensitivity, and this says basically it works well with screen protectors in case those screen protectors are causing issues with the sensitivity on the touch. Now, keep in mind, if your phone is too sensitive, it might accidentally register a bunch of touches that you don't mean it for it to. So you might want to play around with this touch sensitivity, try it with it on, see if that helps. If not, you can always turn that off. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing, it sounds simple, but just press and hold the side button and hit the restart. You'd be surprised how many times just rebooting your Samsung or your Android phone, whatever it may be, fixes a lot of ghost touches and a lot of issues with the touchscreen itself. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.